Hi guys, this is Vineet. Welcome to my channel Vibe with Vineet_real. Today we have India's one of the most international photographers and an actor as well. So let me introduce you to that famous personality. His name is Ronnie Gola.
Yeah. Hi, Vineet. Good to be here on the show, and all the best to this lovely endeavor. So, start shooting.
Yeah. Yep. So, Ronnie, I have few questions. Hain, so it might be a bit personal about your personal life in terms of your profession. I'm talking about, right?
Right.
So, मेरा पहला क्वेश्चन है वो कौन सा ऐसा मोमेंट था जब आपने पहली बार कैमरा उठाया और रियलाइज किया कि फोटोग्राफी इज द ओनली थिंग दैट कैन बी अ कैरियर.
वेल, बहुत एक 3 सदिये पहले मैंने कैमरा एक फ़ोटोग्राफ़र का उठाया था, मिस्टर भरत सिक्का, और मैंने उससे कैमरा बोरो किया, और उसके थ्रू जब मैंने देखा तो जो मेरे को दिखा वो बहुत ही अच्छा लगा. इट वॉज अ टेलीफोटो एंड देयर वाज अ मॉडल ऑन द सेट. So model looked 10 times more beautiful in the camera lens. So I realized it's an incredible way to make people enhance, beautiful,
Okay.
and a great form of art as well.
So you mean to say कि taking this photography and making it look real, that means more of realistic look. It shows मेरे कहने का मतलब ये है कि ऐसा दिखता है जैसे the pictures you take, the professional photographers, they talk actually. This is the kind of thing that you do, right?
Yeah, see, because photography is a medium which does not have dialogue. So whatever it has to say, it has to through the pictures. Even today we see what we in reality sometimes miss. A great photographer, a good photograph, वो उसको सामने ले आता है.
अच्छा.
तो फोटोग्राफी एक आर्ट है जो हमेशा रहेगा, और एआई तो आ गया है, लेकिन एआई के ज़रिए तब भी एक सोच तो बदलता है. एक फ़ोटोग्राफ़र का ही नज़र होता है, जिससे एआई भी एनहांस होगा.
ओके, राइट. एंड आपको फोटोग्राफी लाइन में आने का इंस्पिरेशन कहाँ से मिला, और कोई एक ऐसे इंसिडेंट या जो टर्निंग पॉइंट बना आपका?
टर्निंग पॉइंट था इंस्पिरेशन फ्रॉम अदर आर्टिस्ट्स, फोटोग्राफर्स, फिल्म मेकर्स. Technically, I always looked at people with a cinematic view.
Okay.
So that is why मैं ज़्यादातर लोगों की फ़ोटो खींचता था.
Okay.
पीपल बेस्ड फोटोग्राफी करता था.
Okay.
और उसमें एक अलग मज़ा आता था, क्योंकि हर इंसान अलग होता है, तो उनके साथ थोड़ा वक्त बिता के हम उनका बेस्ट निकालते हैं.
Okay.
हमें 2-4 घंटे मिलते हैं, तो उसी में हम उसका हर एंगल स्टडी करके उनका बेस्ट एंगल निकालते हैं, और एक दूसरे इंसान के बारे में जान भी लेते हैं.
All right.
So photography is a very comforting, uplifting factor for people who face the camera.
But you started this thing as a hobby, or you wanted to be professional? या hobby के start हुआ है, खाली professionally सोचा कि हाँ मैं यही करूँगा life में, or nothing else apart from that?
Well, it was a kind of a hobby which I really enjoyed doing, and then I was getting paid for it. So soon it became an obsession, because art is an obsession.
Yeah.
And
exactly.
thanks to that, my work got better, and I traveled all over the world. पूरी दुनिया का सैर हो गया था thanks to photography. International shoots, top fashion designers, सब कुछ.
So it's more of like living your dream, though being movies and those are different, and this is photography, but somehow they get related to it, right?
क्योंकि मैं लोगों को सिखाता था कि कैसे पोज करना है.
Okay.
तो ये इससे बीइंग बिहाइंड द सीन्स से काफ़ी सीख मिलती है. तो जब वक्त आया कि सीन्स के पीछे ही रहना था या आगे आना था,
Okay.
तो दोनों में काफ़ी हेल्प हो जाता है.
Alright. So आपका early environment या upbringing ने आपकी creative vision को किस तरह shape दिया है?
Well, father was from the armed forces, so we traveled a lot and met many kinds of people.
Okay.
my father went through several wars also, and
Any one major that you can tell?
well, the last was there's a movie called about the tanks in Indian Army, in the tanks that floated in the water and
Okay.
went to Pakistan.
Oh, okay, way back.
So my father was one of those in those tanks, in which I think Shahid Kapoor's brother's the actor.
Mm-hmm.
So that was a movie, excellent movie.
Okay. So, all right. So अभी कभी घर पे ऐसा हुआ नहीं ये छोड़ दो प्रोफेशन ये ठीक नहीं है तुम्हारे लिए was it a little bit
No, I had
more of a no
I had my own views, and I was well supported by my family to do what I felt like. And I'm very thankful. मैं इस इंडस्ट्री में रहा, इस इंडस्ट्री में रहकर मैंने आज तक एसोसिएटेड बहुत सारे अच्छे काम किए हैं, अच्छे लोगों से मिला हूँ, और it was a good journey which I would not trade off for anything else.
Yeah, I have seen plenty of work. You have worked with a lot of stars who are now stars, models and actors. Okay, so आपने बहुत आइकॉनिक फोटो क्लिक की होंगी, क्या कोई एक ऐसी फोटोग्राफ है जो आपके दिल के सबसे करीब हो और उसके पीछे की एक छोटी सी अगर आप स्टोरी बता सकते हैं?
I say there are so many incidences. मेरा काम फैशन का था, तो हमारा फैशन में होता है कि हमें एक ब्रीफ दिया जाता है. एक फैशन could be clothing, could be watches, could be cars, lifestyle, anything.
All right.
So once we get onto a project, we work on the brief of the agency, but उसके बाद हम अपना भी कुछ डालने की कोशिश करते हैं हमेशा, जो थोड़ा उभर के आता है.
And I believe, Ronnie, is that this kind of profession, be it photography, modeling or acting, it's sometimes people take it as a hobby or sometimes take it as a professionalism. So all for it, I think it's been like more years, because you've changed like 3 places from different studios to different studios, and the last one that you have, right? So you were the one, what I think as an inspiration, जब मैंने आप first folio आपसे click कराया था. So you're the one who helped me to get into my line as well of acting in modeling as well. So it was way back. क्या आपका कोई mentor या कोई photographer जिससे आप idol मानते हैं? Till date I'm talking about being as a godfather who actually.
There's no godfathers in our industry. We have to work it out and get inspired by the best people or the people we like, and we have to move on ahead. If you depend on a godfather, you're very lucky, but in today's date one has to struggle.
Okay.
And the struggle today for photographers is difficult, so it's better to be associated to something related to acting, filmmaking or film productions.
Okay. So मेरा एक main question था कि एक आइडल जिसको आप आइडल मानते हो, जिसकी वजह से स्टार्ट करो, who was that idol, who was that photographer, who was that person, the idol who actually inspired you for all of this?
Well, the strange thing is the idol for me was Sylvester Stallone.
Oh, right.
Because he was just a struggling actor who made his own script and made himself become that script. And today he's made a country, he's the brand of a country today, which I feel that's how people should inspire the whole world with what they do through art.
All right, so more of a positive thing, that's what you get into. So you, it's like that time, I think the word manifestation wasn't there, but you were clear in your mindset that this is the only thing that will do it, right?
Well, this thing just kept catching on. काम करना शुरू किया तो काम आता गया. वो वक्त अलग था.
Never look back. Straight.
There's never to look back. Things come and go. We regret and we enjoy the good memories of things that pass us by, and that's the way it should go.
All right.
And aspire to be something better in the future if possible.
Yeah. बोलते हैं ना कि practice makes a man perfect, like more of it. So जब आपने शुरुआत की थी तब सबसे बड़ा struggle क्या था आपके लिए? What was that?
Well, the struggle was, in those days, photography was all manual.
Yeah.
And So you actually had to learn what a camera was all about and how to do photography. After 7-8 years, the digital revolution happened, so you didn't really know how to use a camera as much as you did. But knowing it has helped and kept me still there.
All right. Very good.
For other professions as well related to this, knowing things from the base is asset, but not a necessity today.
Alright, very good. So इतने सालों के बाद भी आप इतनी क्रिएटिविटी और फ्रेश और इनोवेटिव कैसे रखते हैं आप अपने आप को?
Well, सच्चाई ये है कि हर इंसान को अपना काम पैशन से लेना चाहिए और वो काम ऐसे हो जो आप खुश हो वही करो और नए नए आइडियाज़ और सीखते जाओ क्योंकि तुम कभी कंप्लीट नहीं हो सकते आर्टिस्ट के मामले में. आपको रोज़ कुछ सीखना है और किस्मत साथ दे तो आप रोज़ आपका काम दिखाई देगा.
Okay. कभी आप when you started your journey with photography, right? So शुरू में beat any profession, especially your profession as well. कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि apart from your family, you told that your family was very supportive. कभी जैसे मैंने भी जब शुरुआत कर रहा था एक्टिंग मॉडलिंग एंड दिस यूट्यूब, सो कई लोग होते हैं जो पुश करते हैं नहीं इसमें क्या होगा, छोड़ना फालतू का काम है, कुछ नहीं होने वाला तेरा. यू मस्ट हैव हर्ड अबाउट दिस नेगेटिव थिंग्स एंड हाउ डिड यू टेक इट? कैसे लिया आपने?
फॉर्चुनेटली वो मेरे को सुनाई नहीं दी वो बातें जब किसी ने कुछ कहा क्योंकि वो मेरी किस्मत अच्छी थी कि काम चलता गया. लेकिन ये चीज़ें मैं खुद ही महसूस करता हूँ अदर प्रोफेशंस में और आज की डेट पे अपना जो प्रोफेशन है जो थी लाइक फोटोग्राफी, नाउ आई इवॉल्व टू a bit of filmmaking and into film works. And right now I'm also vice president of Earthwide Mrs. India, which is a new venture done by
Sylvie Rogers, right?
Sylvie Rogers. And so all these professions are all part of we keep meeting people, interaction.
Okay.
लोगों को सिखाना.
Social networking, right?
It is not. It's inspiration to people who need the inspiration.
Okay.
Even as an actor, you must inspire. I mean, the roles you do, whether negative or positive, they have a mental following होता है लोगों का. So even when you see cinema, the villain is the hero, but he is appreciated. So there's a fine line there. So one should also, the good actors should try and keep, their roles as positive as can be.
All right. So jack of all the trades.
Yes, I mean the other actors who are like characters and all, they don't have a choice. But
so was photography या photography ही शुरू से हमेशा रहा, जिस तरह से आप बता रहे हो, you got into direction and acting as well, या पहली जो your first love in profession was you wanted to get into straight away movies, or your first love was photography?
well, love with everything changes over time.
Okay.
Same as you evolve in life, you can see your values of things appreciated or not being appreciated. So you should go towards वही जाना चाहिए जहाँ तुम लोग पसंद करते हो. अगर आपकी फोटोग्राफी में लोग तुम्हारे में दिलचस्पी रखेंगे और फॉलो करेंगे तो कीप इट ऑन. बट अगर आपको लग रहा है कि आप सैचुरेट हो रहे हो और आपको कुछ और करना है तो वो भी करो. बिकॉज आर्टिस्ट इज नॉट ओनली an actor, photographer. It's anything to do
with
with
multiple thing. For instance, I can.
Yes, it's musical. It's a world evolution of bringing happiness to people somehow.
Yeah, you're absolutely right. Because बहुत सारे examples हैं Bollywood में. I won't say the names. He was a photographer before, became a very good actor. So this is how it actually works. कई बंदे आते हैं एक्टिंग करने, वो घुस जाते हैं प्रोडक्शन में, कई प्रोडक्शन में आते हैं वो डायरेक्शन में. somebody's got a good voice, they get into music. Alright, so कोई फैशन फोटोग्राफी में कोई ऐसा हाई प्रेशर और बिग पर्सनालिटीज़ होते हैं, आप उन सिचुएशन को कैसे हैंडल करते हैं? Because at times क्या होता है कि they want different things, though even they are new or like more than 5 to 6 years old in the movie industry, and I have, from my personal experience, I've seen कि they are more demanding, right? Instead of listening to the other person as a director, as a photographer. So आप ये चीजें कैसे handle
See, professional actors, I respect their views sometimes because they have been there in the line long, so they know what they are good at displaying. उनको पता है कि वो इस सिनेरियो में, इस सिचुएशन में, स्क्रिप्ट के हिसाब से वो कैसे अच्छे लगेंगे पब्लिक को, उनको भी पता होता है. लेकिन एक डायरेक्टर का भी विजन बड़ा स्ट्रांग रहता है, तो ये एक फ़र्क है. यंग डायरेक्टर समटाइम्स cannot handle the pressures of a good actor, and whereas a good actor will always listen to an experienced director. So directors are super important to make the success of a film.
All right.
And sometimes the scripts might be really weird, but they can just take something magical out of it. And like a lot of actors you might be talking about are like the superstars who are brats and just want the script to go according to what they want.
Right, exactly.
So, but it's not their fault either because they're good at that. So they're trying to emphasize on their point of view.
Okay.
So it's a strong director who can bring the whole, it's a strong captain who can run the ship.
Or I can make it live, make it real.
Yeah, a good pilot will be a good pilot.
Alright. So जब आप शूट प्लान करते हैं, क्या पहले कॉन्सेप्ट रेडी होता है या आप मूवमेंट के फ्लो के साथ ही चलते हैं? Just like that you go.
I know the general idea of what happens in a shoot, whether it's in acting or whether it's photography or direction as well. I know what has to be conveyed to the public or to the person watching it later.
Okay.
So I feel I know at least, and so I work according to what the script would be, but I would try to improvise on it, which is very good to do.
Yeah.
Because sometimes you get something magical out of it, and if you don't experiment, you will never get something magical.
A very nice word you said, that improvisation work in all the ways, be it acting as well, just in case the person, जब एक actor line भी भूल जाता है तो improvise करना पड़ता है.
Correct.
The same goes with the photography that you
With
said.
everything we do in life, including our personal lives, हम life में बहुत सारे बहुत अलग टाइप के situations या वक्त आता है, तो हमें उस तरह से ही झेलना पड़ता है
Okay.
और आगे निकलना पड़ता है.
And what's your suggestion to the young youth, like आजकल के young photographers का सबसे common mistake क्या लगता है आपको? What if you've seen people, young photographers, what do you think? What are they lacking behind? If you can give some tips so that we can also, through this podcast we can tell.
Well, to be honest, I cannot say anything about the youth today because we are old school compared to them. Life has changed. The whole optics have changed.
Okay.
So, and there are so many of them trying to do something. When I had started photography, we were only 20 top photographers in half of India. So, and the day digital came in, it became like 2,000 the same day.
Everybody wanted to be a photographer.
Yeah, so now there's so many photographers. They all have their things. They all have their views. So there's no advice. It's just that वो काम करते रहें और फोकस रखें अपने काम पे और ये सोचो कि ये काम सिर्फ एक ही काम नहीं कर सकते आज, बिकॉज कंपटीशन बहुत है. तो आपको हर तरह से इसी लाइन में जुड़े रहने के लिए, चाहे डिज़ाइनर बनो, चाहे एक्टर बनो, चाहे म्यूजिशियन बनो, सब कुछ करो. स्ट्रगल तो है ही.
कि started as an assistant, then learn things, then grow afterwards, right? You have to learn.
But if you learn as an assistant, you should learn with a good teacher. Otherwise, you're wasting your time.
Just like you.
Whatever, yeah. So otherwise, time ज़ाहिर मत करो.
ओके, आजकल सोशल मीडिया ने फोटोग्राफी को बेटर बनाया है या थोड़ा सा सुपरफिशियल जस्ट लाइक किया है भी बना दिया है, और आपका इसमें क्या टेक है? बिकॉज आई हैव सीन कि फोटोग्राफी कर देते हैं और बीच में एआई का टूल डाल देते हैं, एंड दे मेक, बिकॉज योर फोटोग्राफी आई हैव सीन यू मेक इट रियल, बट दीज गाइज आई एम लाइक, नो ऑफेंस टू एनीवन, कि ऐसा होता है कि वो एआई डाल के या कुछ डाल के द पर्सन वाज लुकिंग डिफरेंट, changes the whole perception there.
Well, AI is a shortcut to the actual cost cutting, performances, even the risk value in cinema like today. So you अगर एक कोई किरदार आपका AI से बन सकता है जो सारे डेंजर स्टंट्स करे
बन ही रहे हैं
और ऐसे सिचुएशंस करे जिसमें हम शायद सर्वाइव ना करें, तो ये अच्छी चीज़ है क्योंकि डायरेक्टर का पूरा सोच वो कह पा रहा है. So it's AI is very good. The future of people depends on AI in cinema and even in advertising, which is already, you've noticed, it's all over the place.
मुझे लगता है what I feel like which has been a classic, old school is old school. Because what I think is that कि अगर आप simple, they'll totally depend on AI and everything. What I think that they won't be able to learn the basics and the actual thing which a person behind the camera is. Am I right or wrong?
You're right, but maybe there's no need today. Maybe there's no need to know all these things. It's like we didn't need to do many things. Like we didn't need to hear only one channel music from radios earlier.
Okay.
So it's a bigger, बहुत बड़ा वो हो गया है horizon और endless है. Knowledge कुछ ज़्यादा भरपूर है सबके लिए. किसी को family values की भी समझ नहीं है आज because of
they're more into gaming.
Google is a new papa mama, so
yeah, social.
So it's a lot of, it's not very hard for them as well. So you have to give them a break. The children today,
yeah,
give them a chance to evolve with whatever they have, plus or minus, it doesn't matter.
Because I've seen now these days people are more, just when we were kids, like we were more into playing and doing everything. Now these days I think मेरे ख्याल से ऐसा हो गया कि लोगों का दिमाग ज़्यादा सोशल मीडिया में हो गए. इंस्टेड ऑफ taking other things, the other profession, be it career, be it their jobs, वो छोड़ के इन चीज़ों में ज़्यादा डल गए, and that has affected a lot. Am I right?
Social media is very distracting. Even if I think of doing something else, I myself am distracted on the phone.
Okay.
So actually, if we actually need to do our work, we need to turn our phones off and work on a laptop which is more focused and centric and concentrate on what you're supposed to do. Otherwise, we do get distracted. It's
now a little bit.
It's an algorithm, yeah.
Yeah. Now a little bit twist about starting from photography.
Okay.
So अब photography के बाद जब acting में आने का decision कैसे लिया और क्या motivate किया, किस चीज़ ने आपको motivate किया?
Well, I must thank Mr. Sonu Sood, who gave me a small break in his his first production movie, which is like a super hit. It's running on the channels right now.
Okay.
And so he gave me this role as a Chinese mafia character. So he called me to Bombay. I did that role, and I managed to perform thanks with his excellent direction. And that was the beginning. Then the next film I got had an amply long role, which was a character of a Russian mafia person.
I'm sorry to cut in between.
Yeah.
I remember one movie of yours, Boolean Minds. That was your first movie, and you were the only director, or
No, that technically was my first film. It was an English film shot in Dubai by a director from there.
Okay.
It was an English film. It got released there, and it didn't see the light of day in India. But it had an Indian background. We shot in India. We had a song of Sunidhi Chauhan in it.
Okay.
So that film was a film which I did as the sidekick of the hero, and I was the villain, of course. And that was an experience without learning to act.
Right. So that
and
was your
after
first
that,
movie.
I did my first. I worked with Sir Barry John.
Sir Barry John. Right.
So he
Very
himself
big name
was
in
my
industry.
teacher. उसने खुद ही सिखाया और बहुत ही patient और अच्छे teacher थे वो. मेरी
Again.
पहली film थी वो 2008 में था. अभी सोनू सूद की last film जो करी है वो अभी एक last year ही चली थी.
Okay.
Or then there's a new movie with my friend called Ravinder Kuhar, who's a excellent person and a really good body he has, same as Sonu Sood.
Right.
So this movie is called Zora.
Is a guy from?
It's running on YouTube, and it's given me a nice role with nice dialogues and
everything.
a different kind of a personality in it.
परफेक्ट। एक्टिंग और फोटोग्राफी, क्या ये दोनों क्रिएटिव सिबलिंग्स हैं या बिल्कुल अलग ही दुनिया है? इट्स इंटायरली डिफरेंट, थोड़ा नहीं बताएंगे आप?
ये दोनों इंटररिलेटेड हैं, क्योंकि अगर आप फोटोग्राफी फिल्म मेकिंग में कुछ भी इंटरेस्ट लोगे तो उसमें आपको किरदार चाहिए, एक्टर चाहिए, मॉडल चाहिए, तो वो डायरेक्शन और वो टू फॉलो द डायरेक्शन दोनों का सिंक होना चाहिए। सो द एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ बोथ इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट।
ऑलराइट, परफेक्ट। क्या आप एक्टिंग रोल के लिए भी वैसे ही प्रिपेयर करते हैं जिस तरह आप फोटोशूट के लिए करते हैं?
No, acting is more since I'm not the top actor to tell anyone anything, I have to listen to direction. So we are strictly following the director's instructions. The director improvises on the sets looking at your performance, and a good director can get the best out of any person.
Your personality out of yourself, right? Exactly what you're
Yes,
trying to say.
it's all the director who makes a film, I think. And even the best actor, if he doesn't have a good director,
Yeah,
cannot become a star.
perfect. फोटोग्राफर होने का एक्सपीरियंस एक्टिंग में आपको कितना हेल्प करता है?
बहुत हेल्प करता है, क्योंकि इतने सालों से लोगों को देख के मैं उनकी गलतियां देखता हूँ और उनको समझाता हूँ, तो उनका टीचर बन के मैं खुद ही उनका जो एक डायरेक्टर का काम कर अंडरस्टैंडिंग मेरे को खुद है कि डायरेक्टर क्या चाहता है।
Just like an AD, assistant direction.
Yes, the same thing. Yeah.
Okay. क्या कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि शूट होने के बाद जब डेटा कॉपी करने के लिए मेमोरी कार्ड करप्ट हो गया एंड दैट इज अ मेजर बिग शूट विद high profile people and it has taken like more than 10 and 12 hours and all of a sudden you realize कि कार्ड करप्ट हो गया and you have to start from scratch? कभी ऐसा इंसिडेंट हुआ है?
It does happen. It has happened, and luckily sometimes we have another camera which we use on the sets as well. Maybe an assistant would be with us, so they would capture some things sometimes, maybe not all the time and maybe not as perfectly, so we could save the day. And using high resolution cameras even for your assistants is a good idea, so we don't lose the day completely.
All right, perfect. एक पर्सनल सवाल है. It is one very kind of dodgy and I don't know how would you take it. आपको कैसा
I'll
लगे?
dodge it. I'll dodge. उसको dodge कर लेंगे फिर.
हाँ, okay, कोई नहीं. क्या कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि शूट होने के बाद एक पर्सनल सवाल, there are plenty of international and national good looking female models के साथ काम करते हुए कभी आपका लाइक दिल फिसल गया या था कैमरा ही लॉयल रहा?
देखो, हर दिन हमारा दिल फिसलता है कोई एक अच्छी किरदार को देख के, एक अच्छी खूबसूरत लड़की देखे, इसमें कोई गलत बात नहीं है, लेकिन आपको अपना लिमिट में रहना चाहिए और अंडरस्टैंड करना चाहिए वो भी किसी की कुछ है. सो व्हाट आई एम सेइंग इज, मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि क्योंकि ये लाइन ही खूबसूरत लोगों के लिए अच्छा है, मॉडलिंग लाइन या एक्टिंग लाइन भी, बिकॉज एक्टर्स ऑल्सो आर ब्यूटिफुल पीपल, ब्यूटिफुल सोल्स. वी इंटरैक्ट विद न्यू पीपल एवरी डे, विच इज एक्चुअली द गुड थिंग अबाउट ऑल आवर प्रोफेशंस. But to fall in love with someone, you fall in love with them every day, which is beautiful. You fall in love with the actor, the person, and the personality.
But not in a deep sense here.
There's no other sense that we are working with professionals and we love what they do.
Okay.
And they also would appreciate you if you kept in your professionalism.
Okay.
So it's a very professional line. Of course, on the sets, people do fall in love, have relationships.
Yeah, okay.
And sometimes they work, sometimes they don't, which is normal. Any business, any part of work, in all other jobs, the same thing happens.
Okay, because I have seen people taking disadvantages and किसी के पास पैसे नहीं होते तो photographers बोलते थे you have to do this more like a casting couch. So ऐसा कभी नहीं रहा और कभी ऐसा दिल में चीज़ कभी आई नहीं. Even though a person की a female model, he has a less amount of money and so.
I know what you're saying. One never should take advantage of anybody's problems, which is the goodness of a human being. It's nothing to do with our profession.
Okay.
So businessmen would give a job to someone and misuse the secretary. I mean, things like that. I mean,
It happens with every profession,
yes,
be it corporate.
but it all depends on the person. Now, if a
Person.
person is like this, he wouldn't be in the industry too long. And people who are into this are dreadful people, and if they are doing this, they will not be in the industry for long.
And we're fully appreciation for
Yeah,
this,
that's true, yeah.
True respect. So, लोग कहते हैं कि कुछ फोटोग्राफर्स सिर्फ नेटवर्किंग से बड़े बनते हैं, टैलेंट सेकेंडरी होता है. आपको क्या लगता है कि आपकी सक्सेस में टैलेंट ज़्यादा था या पावरफुल या कनेक्शंस?
आई थिंक दोनों बहुत पावरफुल थे. दोनों की ज़रूरत है, क्योंकि कनेक्शन से काम तो मिल सकता है, लेकिन जो कनेक्शन है वो दोबारा काम नहीं देगा तुम्हें अगर तुम्हारा काम अच्छा नहीं है.
Okay, one last question, Ronnie. Name some movies that you've done and the directors and some major actors and supermodels that you've worked with. I don't want the whole list, but what all movies you have done, the character that you've done, you name the movie and the character, the director, and some of the models in Nashtu who are a big. I know those names, but I want to hear it from you as well. आपसे सुनना चाहता हूँ. Who are all those people? क्या नाम है? कौन कौन लोग हैं? Starting from being acting, your first movie.
I'll go the other way around. The last film I did was a gentleman called Haranath Policherla from the south.
Okay.
So he made this movie called Na Telugudu, which means Our Gang, Amen. So it was a movie which I think he directed fantastically.
Yeah, I know he's a very big producer then.
So he's a producer, yes, and he had his ideas, and he had portrayed me in a really nice way with all the shots, which I am so happy with, because I mean there were a few negative scenes also, which of course I've.
That comes into the role.
Yeah, the role was very leechered kind of insan, but it was the main character, and the character is such a bad person. But the role was portrayed well thanks to his direction and his filmmaking ability.
And
the next was the first film I did with Sonu Sood was Fateh.
Fateh, okay.
So Fateh was a beautiful film with a great story, and the role he gave me, he made me do a role which was against my actual desire.
Okay, though thing
It sounded like a
came.
हाँ लग रहा था बड़ा अच्छा रोल दिया है कि एक चाइनीज माफिया वाला जो औखा होके मिलता है फर्स्ट सीन में, बट दूसरे सीन में मेरे को पूरा डरपोक बना दिया.
Okay.
सो और वो मुझे इतना पता नहीं था कि ये सीन में ये होगा, बट सोनू का वर्बल डायरेक्शन ड्यूरिंग द शॉट, हिज प्रॉम्प्टिंग मेड मी enact the scene exactly as he desired. So it is a scene which is not required to have been so long, but he stretched out the whole 2-3 minutes on that Mr. Fattu scene. So I really think Sonu's a great director.
आप एकदम सही कह रहे हैं. Me being as an actor as well, मैंने ये भी चीज़ देखी है कि जो स्क्रिप्ट होता है somehow it actually in between it changes the direction, but you're already prepared for that thing, जो the script और उसी के कैरेक्टर में आप आए थे, but all of a sudden the actor has something else in his mind and you have to do it like, but yes, you're
correct. The director had something else in his mind and he got it out of me, which is the main thing.
Okay.
So there was another director, Mr. Rajiv Rai, who was known for all his top films like Gupt and Vishwatma, etc.
Okay.
So he had given me a role as a Russian madman wearing a fox hat on my throughout the film. And he saw the role, I mean the outfits, nothing was decided upon. But since the actor Ravinder Kuhar is a friend of mine, is why I got the role.
Okay.
It's because when they were choosing the other cast of foreigners, they just needed someone bulky and well built.
Okay.
So the hero was himself a very solid guy.
Yeah.
So he wanted, if he had to really have a scene of beating up someone, it had to be someone larger than him physically.
So the role was you were basically working as a lead villain in that movie, right?
No, I was one of the lead villains.
And
There were 3 or 4 villains in the movie, and I was just one of them. A short.
एक और क्वेश्चन मैंने आपसे पूछा था, who are the major stars in Bollywood who you have worked with?
Well, I've worked as a photographer with almost everybody who started
In
from
acting.
Delhi.
In acting?
In acting, there's just Sonu Sood, and hopefully Ravindra Kuwa is a superstar tomorrow.
Yeah.
So they are the only 2 Bollywood people.
And one more thing, I think maybe you're not telling, but I've seen one of your movies wherein you were working with Mr. Abbas Khan.
Oh yes, Arbaz Khan, of course. I again had a role as an evil doctor. That's also the South film. That's also running on Prime, Amazon Prime right now. It's not dubbed in Hindi, so no one's watching it. But it is a good film. Working with Arbaz was fantastic. He's really a humble guy, and he's a really good actor, and he's inspiring.
So more of your movies are like coming on big screens as well. And are there other movies which are coming on YouTube or some other channels as well?
There are 3 more.
Like
There are 3 more South movies to be released.
Okay.
All done under the same director.
Same banner, right?
Same director, V. Samudra. He was a top director at one time, but he's taking a little time in releasing all these 3 films. Maybe they'll all come out simultaneously.
Okay. All right. These are all the questions, but एक चीज आपसे पूछनी थी, what suggestion can you give me if see as such I've started new things in a new YouTube as a podcast or an actor or in this profession, what kind of changes? You've seen me from a pretty long time, you know my nature.
Yeah.
What exactly can you give me some tips so that I can change? So that is a bit helpful for me as well in the near future or other people as well.
I would say, Vinny, don't change yourself. You are the good man you were. Stay that. Remain with your beliefs and evolve with things, but don't change yourself. That is why I'm sharing this interview with you today, because I know the person you are, and that's why I'm here myself.
Yeah, thanks a lot for that. Thanks
Not
a
at
lot
all.
for the comment.
Pleasure.
Yeah.